Let's take a look at what a lens straight from usedphotopro.com looks like. 16 to 70mm f4 OSS from Sony themselves. Paper packaging, and we've got the lens in there with more paper packaging. Pretty good, as well as bubble wrap. Very nice packaging, and it's in a plastic package itself with some rubber band going. Looks decent. So far, so good. Zoom ring, it's pretty smooth. Focus ring is a little loose, but okay. Text on it. This is a little worn. Came with a third-party cap. Official Sony cap for the back. Looks pretty good from the back. Considering the price, it looks good. The lens is clean. I'm pretty sure this was one of the lower ratings, so considering that, not bad at all. Maybe this was one of the main reasons for the lower price, but honestly don't care about some text on it. Overall, not bad. I have the A7S here. This is a full frame camera, but I can use it in APS-C mode. I will also see what it looks like in full frame mode on this lens. Locks in nicely. Oh, it works. Yeah, it's definitely an APS-C lens. Tab 2, number 5, the gear icon, number 5, we've got APS-C size capture. I'll put it on auto. Here's a full view on the Sigma. See what it looks like. Here is the close-up view on the Sigma. So that's the range that you get from that lens. It's f2.8 instead of f4. Swap the lenses out. Right off the bat, you can see a difference in exposure from f2.8 versus f4. First go through the range. This is the full wide. It is wider than the Sigma. And obviously you can get even closer with the Sony lens. And it still has the benefit of a fixed maximum aperture through the range, which is nice. It's just f4 versus f2.8. Here's ISO 1000 instead of 640 that I was using on the Sigma lens. Obviously the background's not going to be as nice, but if I adjust my framing to have a similar look, does it look decent? Is the additional potential noise in the image worth the difference? I think there is a little bit less distortion on the Sony lens at the widest view compared to the Sigma, which is nice. Is there really a big benefit to the Sigma with its f2.8 and smaller zoom range? I'm not totally sure. One benefit of the Sony is that it does have stabilization in the lens. The Sigma does not. I don't think you can focus as close with the Sony, which for some of the stuff that I do is not ideal. This is the full zoom. That's nice. This would work. Here's the view at f2.8 back on the Sigma. It is a little overexposed at this point. Punch in. The zoom ring is nicer on the Sigma. There is a little bit of creep on the zoom if you pull hard enough. Pretty nice lens from Use Photo Pro. I have used them in the past and never really had any issues, but I'm considering trying to get a Sony FX30 at some point, so this lens would be a very nice combination for that, or I could use the Sigma on that camera as well, but it's a pricey camera. Who knows, maybe eventually if I do sell some of my Nikon gear, I'll try to go that route for my video work. Either of these lenses I think are a nice option if you want optical stabilization or you want that large aperture. They could both work out nicely. This one does offer more range too, which is potential benefit. I goofily ordered an APS-C lens when I was looking for full frame lenses. Their website didn't have any way to cancel the order. I tried emailing them and using another internal email system, but it was a weekend. I'll be keeping this for a while at the very least. If you try to cancel an order on a weekend, it's not going to work most likely, but besides that, very nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Scott Photography Bonsai, thanks.